You know, my people, now that video, now that woman matter. You know, I know say the story don't still old small, but that time I know they upload any video that time, I know they film video that time. But I really, the thing really enter my body. Finally, I just say, me I come put my mouth, make I talk as me I see him. And so me I see him. My people, now where don't they come my channel before? Welcome back. If today not the first time where you reach my channel, say now today be the first time where you take your two kuru I see me now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Summer. Before I continue, make a reminder now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make it subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I do upload new video. Now so when I do well. So today video I want to discuss something. You know, so I tell you, I say the real reason why I create this channel. And I say I won't make her the come here, come they talk some kind things where I don't want make outsiders they hear our matter, because it gets some kind of say sometimes shame they catch me make outsiders they hear our matter. But to my own surprise, there can't be some people like people from Cameroon, people from Sierra Leone, so many other, even Ghana. I don't know say they understand our pidgin. You know, when I find out say they understand, I weak, I really weak. So as it could be now, some of these our African people they don't understand our pidgin, which I go do now. But at least now African people, at least this channel for pidgin English will still reduce the outsiders, especially Igbo people where you could hear what they talk. So now I make a like this channel. Waiting I want to talk today, my people. Waiting I want to talk today. You know that Nigerian woman where they say they send them back from Germany. Now that woman matter I want to talk. You know, say that TV the social media. I watch 1 or 2 videos. I know you just won't watch again. Because you know, say when it come for immigration matter, I know they really like me at the talker. Make you they hear our matter. Because you know, say some of our people still they find as they talk to you. So some Nigerian people never still get paper where them day. So what would they talk sometimes? So would they expose ourselves? Now so me I they feel. Now so me I they feel. This video now I make a like me I do for this kind of place where we say na pidgin English. We say na we. Especially if no only us African people they still here, it's still they okay. So what I want to talk. You know, see that woman thing. When they share that matter, everybody just they put mouth, they say this one, they say that one. So people say if you don't commit crime, if you don't do this, you don't do that. Okay. For me, the 2 main things where they important for me, 2 main things where they important. Now say the true deporter, I be the no deporter, the deporter, I be. That be the at least from all the story where they share, not true, no be true, not lie, no be lie. They say the children say the German where they speak, be fluent for their mouth, smooth. Say the German say where they speak, say no smooth for their mouth. But at least they speak the German. I be the no speaker. Now that one be one. So they deport the papi, they no deport them. They deport them. Secondly, now see 3 small children for her hand. Even if which I even want to, people say, may they no help them, may they no help them. Now that one may I talk. Okay, what do you need to help somebody? Okay, no, before I forget, many people in Nigeria will need help plenty or no be only she. But my own I say, why you go come say me people no help her? Many people need help, but people say they want help her. What be your own? What be your own? What be your own? People say they want help her. What be your own? Where you go come say me they no help her? For waiting. If people say okay, they don't want help her, another person, and they won't go, make they can help the other person. Make people who want help her, make they help her. So the important things to decide whether you want help her or not. Now 2 important things. They are to deport her, be the no deporter. The deporter. She to carry 3 children for hand. I bet she teach the children. No. So woman with 3 children, what then deport? Una want help her? I'm gonna help her. I'm not even sure say from day one, the first video. I'm not sure say she beg anybody for money. I'm not even remember now. Abi, if una know say I wrong, I put her for comment section. I'm not sure say she beg anybody for money for the first video when me I first see. The only thing where I know say she talk and say, me could help me ask them waiting I do where they deport me. I not do anything, no, one thing. And so she take talk. You understand? So wetin I no like na how some people talk say if it na Nigeria, you know say we know say we get our story be as we get. We Nigerians we know ourselves say we dey commit well for abroad. We know say we dey commit, but sometimes we dey still take it easy. No call somebody crime. We never see say it to commit any crime. So people say if you don't commit one crime, make I tell you many countries if you commit crime they go jail you. They no be deportation. They just quick do somebody like that. Show you the here. So people say they don't commit crime. Nobody tell you say she, as you no get evidence. No German government tell you say she commit crime. Why not go to talk say she commit crime? Why not go to? Actually, they say innocent until proven guilty. Our owner say na guilty until proven innocent. So people say okay, that's another thing. Another thing where I want to talk. When some people say they no fit deport somebody for no reason. Na lie. Make I tell you, it don't happen before. Make I tell you, it don't happen. Okay, make I tell you, the side of abroad when me are there, so it don't happen. When we nearly come that time, if you born pikin for this country, they no go fit send you back. That time I don't know as things been at that time. People will be say them born pikin for this country because those children get automatic citizenship that time. I don't know now. It don't tell where I come this country. It don't they small now I go down they reach 20 years, small. About 70 years now. I be 70, I be 80, I don't even lose count. That time, if you born for this country, that pikin na automatic citizen. Okay? So as the parent of the pikin, they go come give you paper. The pikin go get passport, they go give you paper like residency, make you fit take stay because that pikin that citizen and that pikin need the parent to look after her. So now they go come to give you paper as the mother or father, as the parent of citizen, they will give you that paper. So you go fit stay the country to mind the citizen. When I understand, actually I know the confusion now. Okay, may I explain that again? If that time I don't know whether the rules don't change. If person born for this country, that pikin na automatic citizen. Okay, so because pikin no fit look after himself, as long as pikin dey under the age of 18, I be 21, now still pikin will be dependent on the parents. She understand? So because that pikin na small pikin, the pikin must stay this country because na citizen. So the thing I say, the parents now go come automatically come get paper, but not be passport. They go give you green card, so that I they call a green card on a residence permit. Now, sometimes if I use some kind of words, so Nigerians we don't understand because with some you get some language, like the American language, we they understand parts for Nigeria. For America go say green card. For here they go say residence permit. So they go give you card so that you go so that you go as parent of this pikin. But that green card go allow you to work, they do other things. After many years you they work or whatever, you go come feel apply, make you feel collect passport. I hope I know they mix up the story now. Now so they do at that time. But make I tell you what can happen. After some time, they just wake up one day, they give deportation letter. Many people. Make I talk. They give deportation letter, say they deport people. But you see as the thing being, if you what did they thought they don't deport body for no reason? They deport. What did they tell me? For my own time, say they give me deportation letter. I mean they tell you, they give me deportation letter. Say that one, they go first give you letter. Say you no longer have right to stay this country. They go tell you say so and so day now be your deadline. Say they go send you back to your country. As they send that letter, many Naija people just run. They run from one country to the other. Many Naija people run. Say hey, they want to deport us. And I'm waiting those people they do. They give us paper, make people run. Me, I not run and I not go anywhere. Me, I stay here. I say they go deport me, they can't deport me. The story long. Make I go back. Me, I no miss some points. Some Nigerian women then deport them. Some Nigerian families they deport them with their children. Make I tell you, why are they talk? They say they don't fit deport somebody by mistake. They know they deport person. What do they call her? They do her. You know what it can happen? They deport. Make I tell you what it can happen. Some women they can't deport them. When they can't deport them, reach Nigeria. But luckily now, get one particular woman where I know, no be story. I know this woman, they deport her, but the husband, the day when they deport her, the husband know the house. They carry the woman and the children to Nigeria. But the husband there, the husband can't take lawyer, they fight the case. So the way they fight the case now, they can't be say, the way they can't carry the matter, they can't go one court, can't go the next court, they fight them. Before you know, all these charity organizations, they can't join the fight. Come begin to raise money for this case. Now they can't win this case. They can't fight this case. They can't say for court or they can't say those. You know what can happen? It's been at the listen. When they deport these Nigerian women, they can't deport them with their children. Will be citizens. We get passports. When they deport the rich Nigerian, because they deport the whole family. Deport like woman. This particular one we're talking. I get 2 children. One of them is born for a year. That pikin gets citizenship. When they deport that pikin, when they can't go court, now they can't talk for court say. As they're not supposed to deport. Listen, because sometimes people will confuse for this kind of story. They go say they're not supposed to deport that pikin where them born for here will be citizen, will get passport of this country. Say the government no get right to deport that pikin, but they deport them. You see, they deport they go Nigeria. You see, but the thing I said they just carry family and deport. You see, you no fit deport the mother, keep pikin because the pikin are 2-year-old. She they see the way they command there. You feel deport the mother, but you know if you deport that pikin, we say you get passport, we get citizenship of the country. They can't go deport the children, we get paper, we be citizens. So when they go that court now, the judge can say you're not supposed to deport the children where they're born for this country. So that particular woman where I know where they deport her with her pikin, we say pikin are citizen. Now the judge can say why they go deport pikin will be citizen. She understand the pikin are citizen. But the thing I say because pikin are minor, as in minor me say na small pikin when they no feel we still need parents. So they no feel leave the pikin, deport only parents. They can't go deport both the mama and pikin. You dey hear? So because maybe they see. So now like George can't talk say for that reason they need to bring that. They say the government go need to go to Nigeria. The thing they news now, those of way no go know the story, They even news TV station come up from here, go Nigeria, go film that family, interview the family, they show them for TV. They can't show the children where they're born for here. The children in Nigeria deported. You they see deported. They show them for TV. Now the judge go say no. They say the judge say make them go Nigeria, go bring those families back because those children will be citizen. Nobody, no picky will be citizen. You feel deport. See here, that now one. Secondly, and because na minor, you need the parent. This particular one they talk so. And so they go bring this particular where I say I know. Where I talk say I know. They go Nigeria, they go bring the woman and her 2 children back to this country. Now then deport. Now they take their money to deport them. Now they take their money to go fly them back, come back to abroad. So why I share this one. Make una know they talk say they know they deport somebody for no reason. They can never deport you without the right reasons. It's a lie. It happen. So make that one won't clarify. Okay, as I don't clarify that one, make I explain to another one. I don't know how the country where she says she born her children, how their own law be. So every country their own law different. I don't know as their own law be because some country whether you born for them, the children no be automatic citizens. You understand? You get some country we say if you born picking automatic citizen, some country no be so. So I don't know how it be for Germany. I think they say she born for Switzerland. I be she born for Italy. Or that one. So make her clarify that. I not talk and say they can never deport you without the correct right or the right whatever to deport you in a lie. It happen. I know one way happen. Will be say person where I know. So I don't clarify that one. Another one, people where they say, why she no wrong go another country? As they come one deporter, if I don't wrong. What's not they talk? The woman saying pass Libya. From the story where they talk, she passed Libya. Person way pass Libya. From there, you don't go, she be born one for Switzerland, he born one for Italy, he born one for Germany. It don't already show how many countries where she don't work. Not to say easy to the run from one place to the other. You know, easy. She don't travel how many European countries. I don't know, another thing I want to talk and I say, if you migrate, you know, say those of us will come as Aduro, you know, when they talk all this kind of matter, anybody where you know say your papa na politician, na they chop government money, or your papa na pastor, na they chop tithe and offering. Listen to me well, oh. If you na they chop tithe and offering, well you know say your papa they chop free money on a level high, you can't come abroad easy without wahala. If they talk this kind of matter, make you just want to take one chair, sit down for one corner, they listen because you don't understand our struggle. Now the fact that they talk, or your papa a politician, or they chop government money on a level high. If we talk all this kind of matter, and I no get mouth to put at all because I don't know what we they go through. All the corrupt pastors for Nigeria. If your papa no corrupt, now here you hear me, corrupt pastors and corrupt politicians. If your papa corrupt, now talk. If your own papa corrupt, now talk. So if you know say your own no corrupt, your papa no corrupt pastor, your papa no be corrupt politicians, I no call your name. So no go begin the vex for me. And my mind that they talk so. But all this way we say their own easy. When a papa just the chop free money from church people or chop free money of the government of the country, they talk about immigration struggle. You won't compromise. I better go sit down. Yeah, I better go sit down. Make you let those of us where they suffer the country as on a liver. Make we they talk. But you go see all these politicians, all their children they go school abroad. All these pastors where they are party, they go school abroad. They go abroad, they fly abroad like nothing. Now no understand the struggle. Okay. So some people get luck, they go abroad straight away, just go maybe walk or whatever, they just go abroad. For many people, not be like that. You hear? Yeah. Me, where I talk say I don't do video talk say I take backyard enter Bodoibo. My own backyard no be Libya kind of backyard because I no be every time they talk for YouTube video. My own no be that kind of wakao. Now still backyard I still pass, but I no pass Libya, pass by Sahara Desert, all those kind of things. No. I know, no, my own no reach like that. But I know if I tell you when I pass enter because my YouTube with day. Some people story no easy. Woman we don't pass, she say she pass Libya, pass all this country. You know no say person. People they say if I don't wrong another country. How many countries now won't make person wrong? Not to say easy. Me when they tell me say they threaten me say they won't deport me. I pack my bag already. I say I ready to go back because I'm not ready to run up and down like person wait until they pursue. What did they pursue me? My memory card be full, so the phone just go off. I don't put another memory card. When people will say, why she no run go another country? Why she stay there, they wait? One thing. Not to say easy to run up and down. So people say easy to run from one country to the other. Person where they say pass Libya, till reach Europe. You can't reach Europe. You don't go 3 different countries for Europe. And I say me still they run. No say no run the tire person. To run the tire person. Wait, I beg you know easy. You know easy. Maybe the country where me I did so. Even as I still pass my own, maybe say my own never reach where they pass Sahara Desert. My own never reach where they pass Sahara Desert. They pass what do they call it? Libya. I know my own, I no pass that at all. My own, I no go lie. My own never reach like that. I'm on when they even tell me say they go deport my enemies. Not be me they want deport. When they tell me say they want deport, Me, I just decide, say, I know they wrong anywhere. Say, I go wait for them. They go deport me. May they carry me from here, deport me, go Nigeria. Say, I don't decide, say, I know they wrong go anywhere. Me, what they run up and down? Me, I don't decide, say, if they deport me, I just go back to my Nigeria. So I say, I talk, say, me, if God say, now this country I go stay, and so it go be. But if God say, no, this country I go stay, and I say, God, now your hand did it. Now so my God, now your hand did it. I know they wrong go anywhere. Many Nigerians, they run up and down. That me, I ready. Now, middle of the night, they can't carry people, deport them. Middle of the night. I remember that way some Nigerians when they do fasting and prayer, they can do like every Friday night vigil. They can't go to do prayer meeting. The man where they in charge of me immigration for the country. They can't go to do prayer meeting. They can't say Holy Ghost fire. They can't do this, this Nigerian prayer where they say make the man way be that man. They couldn't do this prayer meeting, those kind of die kind of prayer. They couldn't do prayer, say the man go die, the man go die. Now, me I tell them, me I don't join a prayer that can prayer. Make it die for waiting. The man they do the job. The man they do in job of a country to protect your own border, and I say make it die. What you want die for? I say make it die for waiting. So because they won't stay their country, make the wife come become widow. The children go come become orphans. The children come become orphan. I'll be waiting because the man they do in job. You know what Nigerians with all these upside down prayers. Me I just tell them, say listen. I say, see, you see this country. If God say, now this country I go stay, no or God pata fit come up me for this country. But if God say, no, with this country I go stay, no matter what I go do, it no go work. I no go stay the country because now at the end of the day, sometimes as Christians we're supposed to stay. We pray, we go pray, say God, let your will be done. Let your will be done because sometimes you don't know what God plan be for your life. So I face that kind of thing. Say they won't deport me until later. Where maybe after. We many people the things can't change. Some of them when they find they will take come back. Those of us will know wrong. We dey ground. Those way war and I call they say how they will take come back. Because they find how they will take come back. Those of us will know wrong and we still get paper. So sometimes all these government they get it wrong. All these abroad country sometimes they get it wrong. They deport people by mistake. Sometimes their deportation no correct. Now me they tell you it don't happen to somebody where me I know. No be saying that they talk. That's another thing. Another thing I want to tell you. I know say we know they say our country, many country for the world, many country for this world, they know they respect Nigeria. They know they respect Nigerians. You know that one. They don't respect our government. Like I tell you, this woman where they go deport without paper. How you go take deport without paper? How you go take deport somebody without paper? May I tell you, don't know say if they deport somebody called Nigeria, Nigerian government supposed to say, and that's what they do on worldwide. They're supposed to say, we proof say this person are from our country. Where you no get passport, you no get anything. The woman say she no get passport. No, tell me how they take deport and reach Nigeria. Because let me tell you, for civilized country, the country get the right to say, we proof say this person want to deport come not from our country. You understand? Without paper, they're not supposed to deport people. But Nigeria, they go deport, they go collect. It gets some country where you go deport somebody. They go tell you, say, we don't go collect this person because you don't get proof saying our country from come. It didn't happen. But our country now, they will just, Nigeria, the way they treat us, not be condition. Not be condition. When some people, they say the husband wrong. Me, I tell you, another thing when I realize. Sometimes, say the thing where the family, they tell you now, the husband don't talk to you, wife don't talk to you. No matter waiting, the children say sometimes, people who chop aduro abroad no go ever tell you the full story. Not be because of anything, not be because they won't lie to you, but because in case of information where they don't want share, in case their case correct later, say they won't help, in case they won't go back to that country, maybe say they don't go use their own mouth, their own mouth, they spoil their own aduro. Sure you understand? If people go take care when you carry camera face her, not be everything she could tell you. Not be everything she could tell you. Even the husband where the husband talk, I'm not just saying everything they go still tell you because in case the table turn tomorrow, say they won't go back, say they won't solve their aduro problem. No, be say they don't go use their own mouth spoil their aduro. So not be every information. When some people they ask them question, as not be everything that they put for there, just in case say tomorrow things change, say German government won't bring them back. So all those things I won't address because they say the man wrong, she for follow wrong. Now so many families they do and I mean they tell you when they do and I make a say no everything if they tell you now. When they do and the man go say make I wrong. When I start to where I run reach, you go come join me later. When I go come join me later, they do one. It's easy for the man to run, but for woman to run with 3 children, it's not easy like that. You know, say to they run from country to country, you go see they use fake document, they run up and down. It's easy to get fake document for one person, the husband, bam, run. But to get for herself and 3 children, fake document to the wrong, easy like that. Another thing again where I won't talk. I don't know as a bill, but me I just say when you come some of this country, they go take your fingerprint. Some people when they chop aduro, many European countries now, if they chop aduro, they take their fingerprint. If you go another country try to chop aduro, they go see and say your fingerprint already should day for another European country because the whole of Europe, the way they do and they don't arrange it like that. They go see say your fingerprint don't show say you don't enter another country. I mean they tell you. So as far as I know, they say they run up and down, but if our fingerprint don't the system, they go see her aduro don't already fail for one country, another country where you go, they go still physically go see her from fingerprint say she don't already do another country. So easy where she don't go 3 European country. How I mean we don't want make she run go again. We don't want make she run go again. You know, easy like that. So my own way, waiting they are not to like about the video people they do now. The particular video we make I even want to talk about this. Now one way I see for Facebook where this Bobo call the talk say it just destroyed the woman for the video we make. I don't like her. My brother, I don't know whether they watch my channel. I don't like what you do. Look, we talk to now still condition I make the fish bend. I mean they tell you why the woman go to travel from one country to the other. Travel, but it's easy. Now this kind of life person plan for yourself. Now not the sorry for somebody at all. So the way not they use mouth, why this woman destroyer? Our politicians are not the chief pastors. Now no go attack them. Ordinary person will be victim of the system. Now we can't carry for mouth. We can't carry for mouth the tear for social media for waiting. Waiting we can't gain. Waiting we can't gain. So they take mouth chop the woman through away because she get problem. To say her own good now. She can't come back with plenty money. You go see one pastor, can't tell her how much tithe she's supposed to pay. Now she come back now. Now she come back in a deportation. No church now can't help her. No church can't help her. But to say she come back with big money, with big house, everything. You got now that time you go know say she get pastor. The thing just there embarrassing. When you watch all the videos, Nigerian people just they make the video, just the thing just they chop some people chop the woman raw. Chop her raw for waiting because she go abroad, go chop her duro, he travel from country to country. No be condition cause no be condition cause eh? And the thing I say now no get the real information no even dey there. My own I say no matter waiting now still condition I make somebody go come out for in country, can't go past Libya, can't reach the country, travel from country to country for waiting. Eh? Instead of we will focus for the real problem where did the country, all the corruption we have for our country, where they spoil the country, we will go focus on the real reason why somebody go travel from one country to the other. They chase her from here to there, chase her from here to there, from one country to the other. It is sad now. It is sad. Eh? It is sad. Now, if now you Nkotinka, they don't go from Libya, you go another country. If they don't travel to 5 different countries or 6 different countries, they say no, they say to run person, they run the entire person. It's the entire person. So, as I see that video, I say make I address all these points. No matter waiting. I don't even care what people talk on social media. But now those people they say they no help her, make them no help her. Why? If you want help her. You don't want help her, no help her. To come to discourage other people to help her. Now that one no good. Who go suffer? Who go suffer? Nobody small children which she carry for hand. Who wanna they think all these things sometimes before they make all this kind of comments. And before I give all this kind of comment, who go suffer? I know say suffer in Nigeria. I don't talk. If people want help her, they help her. If you person say okay, no be sure I want help, I want help another person. Help another person. Make if you want anybody want help, make you help. But make them not to say they no help somebody. Because you know, no matter what this story be, no matter how the mago scatter where her story be, 2 main things where we say we sure about now say that to treat the butter. Another thing I say she carry 3 children for hand, they need to survive. All of a sudden the person don't go abroad for how many years, come back to start from scratch. It is easy. Yeah? It is easy. It is easy. So I know like you know what I see videos sometimes shame they catch me. I no go lie you because when outsiders they hear and I make a lag me I do for pidgin English. When they hear and they go they look us like you know like say we just be like born through away people. You know nothing. Our government nothing everything. They don't even respect us. They don't even respect us for any country in the world again. And make people take her easy. People don't use mouth. Baff this woman with insult. Baff her. Talk with the husband. They say she. Which I know here. You get one way I see for Facebook. They say na stubborn woman. Make I tell you true. Forget all these things. Even when they say she and the man no day again. You don't know whether or not they are duro be that. I not talk say I know. Even so I say me and the husband no day again. If it be Aduro, they take that story, take the talk, say we know they together again. We don't know the story. Let me they tell you. If it be the Aduro story, because they do one sometimes, the woman go say me and the man no day together again. So if you do one, maybe where the husband day, I make I wonder for PG. Maybe where the husband day, the husband go marry somebody. I know they support her. Some people they do one. I know they talk. I mean I support her. I just they tell you. I just they talk as the story be. I don't see people who claim say me and the husband no day again. The husband go marry one Oyibo. He go come take and get paper. After he get paper, he and the Oyibo go come divorce. It dey happen. I know beside the support her. I just they tell her. They go after the man don't get paper. He and the man go come. The and the Oyibo go come divorce. He go come go marry that woman from Nigeria. Go come bring her come. It dey happen. And they talk about my own point. I know they support anything. My own I say. Man, they careful with the story because not be if they feel no tell on everything for their own safety. They feel no tell on everything. So if they say some people say the woman stubborn, one thing. What we gain from all those stories? What would they talk? What we gain? Where they say they take tear the woman up and down, they check mouth, destroy this family, they talk everything. How will not they help them? So now those things I really want to address. So the important thing I said, the woman treated the deport and she carried 3 children. They did not tight corner that day. So all the people say they don't fit deport somebody for no reason. It didn't happen. They deport. I don't see her. And the another way they say she for don't try run go another country. First we don't run how many countries. I know they say run to retire somebody. Why I no follow the husband? If you be saying that they are duro style, be that the man say make I go settle. When I settle, I go because I watch one video where they show the man they talk. The man call you talk say the way the man they talk, see and the one you gonna see and the woman no get fight. So I just say you gonna say hate the woman. So we don't know as the story be. They say beg help us. They talk. So I don't know the full story. My own I say no matter how the story be, no be today. Many Nigerians when they abroad they see where many Nigerians abroad they suffer. Many people they tell you their story. When I talk my own story, I say I pass backyard. My own no reach like that. I no go loud. My own no reach like that. But only say I no pass directly enter the country where I did. I still pass back. But I no pass Sahara Desert. Me I no go do that kind travel. No pass Libya. I no go do that kind travel. I travel. I no go lie. No be poverty chase me come up for Nigeria. My own story different. My own story don't be poverty. But some people not poverty. Now my own story different. Everybody's story different. My own I say if we think, make we think well. Many people they rock come up for Nigeria every day. As we they talk, so some people they Sahara Desert. As we they talk, so some people still they Libya. So people they road they find how they go to survive, how they go to come up for the country. When we go talk in our country, situation of our country, now cause all this kind of insult. Instead we go focus on that one, we can focus on the yap the woman, just the chop her or they take her, they do social media, take her to they do video here, talk here. Take her to the clean, take the woman, take clean ground for waiting. I don't will leave that matter. So on that one, I won't do that video, but that time I don't really they upload the video that time where the thing happen. But the thing in my mind say I go talk, put not gonna take it easy. Everybody's story for abroad no be the same. So people don't go to hell, come back for this abroad. So people don't suffer. Me, when I still come, I suffer. Now my shit don't be soft. Now when I nearly come. So when I leave matters, some of us now we don't get paper. I know they look down on somebody who say they never get paper because I know say no easy. Now very tight condition or very tight situation. Now some people find themselves where person can't get deported. Now person can't get deported. People can't they talk up and down. They talk about we just can't yab ourselves up and down for social media. Outsiders they look us like this. Outside they look us see them. My people, now that video, now that woman matter. I know say the story don't still old small, but that time I know they upload any video that time, I know they film video that time. But I really the thing really enter my body that time. But finally I just say if I can't put my mouth, make I talk as me I see am. I saw me I see am. My people, I saw me I see am. I just say me I contribute. I be more take it easy, especially when you come up with the disgrace ourselves for social media. Make we dey careful small. Some things we fit still do, but some things more we dey careful. Especially when it comes for all this immigration matter. Make we no dey disgrace ourselves. I beg. Make we no dey disgrace ourselves. So my people, na so I see am. At the end of the day, the main point when I want bring out and say, make we no forget say, na condition of our country, na cause all these things. Na they cause all these things. So they deport our people from left, right, and center. Condition, I make the fish better. So now so I say my people, anything will be your own opinion. Make you add that for comment section below. Make I leave and for there my people. When I do well, so I come watch my video. Until next time, bye bye.